Our journey begins at the iconic Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of Berlin's reunification after the fall of the Berlin Wall. This neoclassical monument has stood since the 18th century and remains a must-see for anyone visiting the city. Next up, we're at the Berlin Wall Memorial. This site is a poignant reminder of the Cold War era and the division of the city. The preserved section of the wall, along with the documentation center, gives you a powerful insight into Berlin's turbulent history. No trip to Berlin would be complete without a visit to the Reichstag building, the seat of the German parliament. Its stunning glass dome offers panoramic views of the city and a glimpse into the workings of modern-day Germany. For art and history lovers, Museum Island is a treasure trove. Located in the heart of Berlin, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to 5 world-renowned museums, including the Pergamon Museum, which houses artifacts like the Ishtar Gate and the Pergamon altar. But Berlin isn't just about history, it's also about its vibrant neighborhoods. Kreuzberg, for instance, is known for its eclectic mix of cultures, trendy cafes, and street art. It's the perfect place to soak in Berlin's creative spirit and try some delicious international cuisine. Speaking of street art, check out the East Side Gallery. This open-air gallery is painted on a long stretch of the Berlin Wall and features artwork from artists around the world. It's a powerful blend of art and history, reflecting the city's journey from division to unity. As the sun sets, Berlin transforms into one of Europe's best party cities. From techno clubs to live music venues, there's no shortage of places to experience the city's legendary nightlife. And don't forget the food. Berlin's food scene is as diverse as its population. Whether you're grabbing a currywurst from a street vendor or dining at a Michelin-starred restaurant, the city's culinary offerings are sure to satisfy your taste buds. So, there you have it, Berlin in a nutshell. From its rich history and cultural landmarks to its vibrant neighborhoods and nightlife, this city truly has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and city guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Cheers.